Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today with this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to reset Agoda password. Now to do that, open the Google browser in your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in agoda.com and press enter. Then you need to get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to go to the profile name. Click on your profile name and from there you click on profile. Once you are in the profile, you need to scroll down to the password section. There you click on edit. Now you type in the current password first, then you type in the new password over here. Type in the new password, confirm the new password by retyping the same as above and then click on save. With this, the password change process is completed. So this is a way how you can reset Agoda password within your account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.